Hey everyone, and today I want to tell you about a cool tool that you can use to find any brand logo in Canva. This app is called Brandfetch, and it is a super useful app I found on Canva that helps you work with logos. To use the Brandfetch, just open Canva on your computer. Then go to the Apps section in the left sidebar and type the Brandfetch into the search bar. If you found the app, just click on their logo and open it. And now you should see a simple interface with a just sidebar where you can type any brand name. So, for example, let's look for a Nike logo. All you need to do is to type Nike in the search bar and you get the brand logo. And when you click on the logo, you can easily add it to your project. So easy it is. This simple app is a time saver for anyone who knows how hard it is to find a brand logo in Canva. However, one important thing you should know about brand logos is that they are trademarked. Using them in a project with a commercial intent is strictly prohibited. So be careful about that. But still, this Brandfetch app is a useful tool if you want to find a company logo as fast as possible in Canva. So, I hope this short video was useful to you. And if you want, like it or subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tips about Canva and graphic design.